got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a review and a design for the Enailcouture XXL Square. Now these are their newer nails that dropped about probably a month ago now or a little longer. But I did order them around the time when I ordered the XXL COFFIN nails, and I ordered them on the day that they dropped. Both nails took me a month, maybe a month and a half to receive them, and that had nothing to do with the shipping, but more so the processing from the company. Now on their website it says 8 to 18 business days to process the order, but when they shipped it out and I received my tracking number, it came so quick. So keep that in mind if you ordered their nails or you are planning to order their nails. Expect your package to take you at least a month to order them, to receive them. Now I did have a friend who told me that it took her a month as well, and this was before the lockdown and the pandemic and stuff happened, so I'm guessing this is pretty standard for the company. But now considering everything's going on, just expect it to take a while. I did email them because I was worried that I was not going to get my package, and they sent me an email confirming that it's on its way, they're processing the order. However, the email was so wordy and the font was all different sizes. It was too much. It reminds me of their website. It's just a lot. It need more organization and everything like that. But along with these tips, I did order a drill bit tip and I ordered some glitter. The drill bit tip was really nice. It was for your cuticle areas, but this here is the acrylic glitter powder or just regular glitter, and they sent it to me with inside a piece of printing paper that they taped up, and I'm like, really? I waited a month for this? Like, the quality is not there for me, and I know these products are priced affordably, but it's just very, I don't like the quality, I don't like the packaging, and even with how they sent it to me, they literally just stuck everything in a mailing envelope and that was it. I don't know, but the glitter is okay. It's not nothing that you really need to just go out and get. You can actually probably get this in a bigger quantity from like Michael's or any craft store because it just looked like traditional glitter. Now here is the XXL Square tips. You will get the size 0 through 9, not 0 through 11 like their traditional sizes, and you only get 240 of them. Also, you would get double sizes 5 and 6, so keep that in mind when trying to size your nails. I had a hard time trying to size my nails because the sizing were all over the place. If you have smaller nails, you're going to have to do a lot of reshaping around the cuticle area and cutting that down in order for it to fit your fingers properly. I do have the nails on now as I'm showing you the nail tips. I already pre-did my nails to make the video go a little bit quicker because I didn't change the method how I put them on. I still used the APRES products to stick them on, and that was about it. Now I'm just going to show you what one of the nail tips look like. I used one of the sizes that I know I'm not going to wear or can't fit, and these nail tips are super thin. Now this did not come pre-etched. A lot of people was telling me in my other video the reason why they were frosted is because they were pre-etched. However, these dropped on that day, and if they were pre-etched or rolling out with pre-etched ones, you would expect the newer ones to be pre-etched as well. These were not pre-etched. Also, these are very thin and flat, so expect you to build these up, and they are so flimsy. They are like just regular plastic tips. These are nothing like soft gel tips at all. Their COFFIN tips are a lot stronger than these, and those tips wasn't even that strong. They still bent on me, but as you can see here, these nails are just flimsy. Even when I was applying the nail on to adhere it to my finger, it was just bending. It was ridiculous. But I'll go ahead and do the little marble design for you and show you guys how to do that. If you have any other questions that I didn't answer about the tips or the packaging or anything like that, just drop me a comment down below and I will answer it in the comments. And also make sure you stay tuned to the very end of the video. I will do an update on how the nails lasted and some things that happened to the nails after I put this set on. So enjoy the design part, and I'll catch you guys a little later.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a lot finna pop for the weekend. Girl, I said you're the one and I mean that. Yeah, I mean that. I told my baby we can do what you want. Take the stress away from what you've been going through. Girl, there's one thing on my mind and it's always you. Yeah, it's always you. Feet up, palm trees, sundress, daiquiri. Way you look at me is staggering. Way I break out, sunsets, factory. Way I look at you like you got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
All 4 seasons I've been chasing you. Running around the subject, I'ma find the truth, yeah. Playing it coy, but I'ma with a few, yeah. Calling me a boy, hey, can we make it boo, yeah. I feel the heat like a summer solstice. Running out of words, running out of choices. I can hear the smile and the tone of voice, yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's something about that moon, make your lips taste just like June. Falling faster into you.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
Oh baby, I can't get you off my mind, and I really like it. Swear I love you like nobody else. When you kiss me, get my body chill. I wanna give all of me to you. Tell me you feel what I'm feeling too. Swear I really don't know what to do, 'cause I'm going crazy. Boy, like how you made me. Grass is greener on my side. That's my baby, the sunlight. Nobody like you, yeah, I mean that. Give me all the love, yeah,
You
I need
got the
that.
summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, 'cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
She love how I'm rocking it. Betty's all up on my rocket ship. And she call me Zaddy and she got a fatty and she's so provocative. I'm touring and rocking shit. Yeah, she love how I'm confident. Yeah, I'm dope with the shows and my shoes and my clothes and my glow is just hard to miss. And she think that it's destiny. Always save the best for me. Can't sleep when you texting me so sexually. I swear I got that recipe. Make your body rest in peace. Baby, I'ma do you right. I don't know ya, but I can see the signs. I can show ya, or I can make you mine. I need your love, cause it gets me high. I need your love, it's got me mesmerized. Your love, mesmerized. Your love, mesmerized. Your love's like sex and wine. Your love, mesmerized.
Okay, so the pinky nail chipped at the tip and the nails are just bending on me like crazy and they still are extremely flat. I did 2 layers of polish, a base coat, a top coat, the marble design, and they're still weak and flimsy. I ended up taking them off. If you do use these, make sure you use acrylic on top to get that apex and shape and strength that you need. And that's about it. I'll catch you guys in my next one, and peace.
I know we got that famous look, but we ain't from this neighborhood. Baby, wouldn't it be nice